everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going to go through how to enter a transfer in a closed period using the Repair Past tool. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we want to go into Cashbook, and then we'll click Repair Past. And so today we're only going to be looking at transfers, so we'll click Repair Transfers. And now we want to enter a transfer, so we'll click New. And we just need to enter the transfer in the closed period. So my transfer happened in October 2023. We'll put it on the 10th. It was $500. And we'll just select the bank account from and to. So from the farm check, we'll go to the credit card. And then we just need to enter each month that the transfer was cleared in each bank account. So we'll keep it simple and say that they both cleared in October. So any remarks you want to put here, so we can just put transfer of money, simple. And we'll click the green tick. And if we go back, we can use the magnifying glass up here to search for the transfers. And it was in October 2023. And here we'll find the transfer. Obviously 2 transactions for a transfer in and a transfer out. We recommend only using this tool if it's absolutely necessary, as this will change the closing balances of previous months. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.